Oh, we knew these people.
Fire on a man who investigators say rear-ended a police vehicle and pointed a weapon at them. Ravi Bridgeview spoke with a woman who says the shooting left her boyfriend dead. He is live right now.
Well, we knew this girl.
Ravi.
Judy, it's perhaps another story that involves mental health. We'll just have to see what the investigation is. But this actually started at a
I dropped it. I'm so sorry.
Here in Bridgeview, and it was a rather innocuous situation with a shoplifting call. It ended up escalating right in front of the Pete's Market down the way in this parking
That's that Pete's Market I was talking about is so clean.
Instantly deadly. The 32-year-old Joseph Jesk, a former Iraq War veteran, out on probation after being convicted of the killing of his wife, died last night after confronting an officer.
Where he killed his wife?
Yeah, it said he killed his wife in 2010.
After reports of shoplifting at the Bridgeview Walmart.
Okay, hold on.
Said she
I'll talk after.
And asked that her face not be shown.
The one officer kept telling him, like, no, if you don't get back, I'm going to put you on your back, I'm going to put you on your back. And finally, Joseph was just, like, fed up. He walked out.
Eventually, Hargrave ended up in a squad car, which stopped at the adjacent Pete's Market.
He had that Sprinter van?
Police, Jesks used his car to bump that.
That's a nice Sprinter van.
It's very, very light. And I looked behind me, and there was Joe getting out of the car. And I thought maybe he would just want to ask them, like, again, where they're taking me. And next thing I know, the officers fired at him.
Police say Jesks pointed a gun at them. It was still on the ground hours after the deadly encounter.
I didn't see anything. I did not see a gun in Joseph's hand.
Police say the officer fired
that girl
his gun
Stacy.
twice. Jesk's weapon turned out to be a BB gun. His girlfriend, who said that the pair planned to marry, said that Jesks was failed by the Veterans Administration for improperly dealing with his PTSD from Iraq.
They kept putting him on different medications. Nothing was working, you know, and when he would tell them, they would just write a new script for him.
Did he have any thoughts of suicide?
No, not at all.
And we left a message with the local Veterans Administration for any kind of comment on.
My mom was like 3 blocks from here.
But as far as the police investigation goes, it's being carried out by the Illinois State Police and their Public Integrity Task Force because this was a police-involved shooting. Reporting live from Bridgeview, Ravi Bridgeview, ABC.
Bridgeview Courthouse, you don't want to go there. That's what I was saying about Chicago. So it says here, you know, what happened, okay? And then, of course, they have to... Okay, bitch, shut up. Nobody wants to hear you anymore. And then it goes on to say... The woman's boyfriend, this girl... Okay, so this girl... Funny thing happened. She was dating this dyke girl, you know, or she's like this girl who pretends to be a boy. And it's so... Because I grew up with her, and I'm like... I call her by her girl name, which is shortened to be a boy name. And everybody's like, oh, you're friends with him? I'm like, why does everybody call her him? But it's what people do these days, and it's just very bizarre. And so this girl whose boyfriend just died was dating her, right? And then we all got invited to this party. And this girl here in this story slept with some guy, of course, and ditched the dyke and didn't want to be with the dyke no more. And the dyke girl I see now, it's just really, that was kind of comical. This is very sad. Don't steal from Walmart over there, I guess. Yeah, I'm not sitting here saying the cops are right or he's right, or I'm not taking sides, and I don't want to. This is a very... There's her name. That's how we know it's her. Stacy Hargrave. That's her name, huh? You sure about all this?
Yeah,
it's not a different Stacy?
Alright,
I don't need to see Facebook. I know that's her. Just telling you. Okay, anyway, but they had to say something right here I wanted to make a point of. Cell phone video captured it. There probably wasn't much to see. It's just a guy getting shot twice. It's horrible. Sprinter van. Anyway, it talks about how he killed his wife in 2010.
That's kind of crazy.
And I was like, okay, so you kill your wife in 2010 in Chicago. This is what I wanted to tell people. You can kill people here And it's not even 9 years later, and he hasn't been in jail for a while. I mean, you will get out of jail.
He's also a veteran, so he could have claimed PTSD. Just like they're saying now. Yeah.
It doesn't matter, dude. If you kill somebody, usually they give you in other states 20 years. I mean, they give people more time. I'm just saying, murder is not a very big deal here. I don't know where it says that. Let me try and find it. Okay, here it is. Right here. Jesus Christ Hospital, where I was born. I was born in that hospital.
I was born in, that one in
An
Berlin.
Iraq war veteran was convicted of the murder of his wife in 2010 and was on probation at the time of the shooting. Point is, 2010. I used to say, man, back in 2001, back in 1997, people would get like 6 years for murder. Apparently, still happens here in Illinois. I'm telling you, they give people 20 years for attempt. All these big numbers, but when it comes down to murder, it's very weird. So, he had a BB gun, and now another young man is lost in his 30s, another young Caucasian. Just the police state doesn't help things. I'm not saying what he did was right, but it's okay. This is my point. It's an environment that will have genocidal effects on whites, blacks, and some people will be able. But this is not good. Chicago and the way America is. They say only the strong survive. Well, these days you got to be super. You got to be made of steel to survive these cities, man. And all the fucking things that can go wrong here. But everybody, alright. Peace. God bless.